What's up guys, my name is John Benz. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve a scramble Rubik's Cube into a completely solved Rubik's Cube. Let's get started. Grab your scramble Rubik's Cube. First, we have the yellow center. You have to put white here and here. Go. This di need to be clear. See, do this, and this is like this line, and twist it 1, 2. This and same 1, 2, and this same 1, 2, and this same 1, 2. Look down, you have a cross with same line. You have to find this blue and orange. You have to match the same, like this: blue, orange, orange. So you have to hold it like this and do this. And this, you have to match it, this and this here. You have to do like this. Just practice this until you know it. And this is, if it's above, you have to do this. This. Do it 3 times. This. And here, you green, red. So to do this, and this is red, blue. I have to do this. And you have the second layer. Look. You have to match this central. I don't know. Do this. This is the same. Look above. You see a green. This is a green. So you have to do here and do this. And like this, the same thing I do. You have blue. This is the same, and red. This is red, so you need to go here, there, and here. So this is do this. You will find another color that don't have yellow on top. This is orange, so you to do it. Orange. Above it is blue, so you do this. This is do this. you have one more thing to do. You have orange, this green here, so you have to do this and this, and this and this. This is line like this. You have to find some yellow. And orange, green, do this, and this. This is done, completely solved. Not like complete all. Then you have to do the cross here. Cross. This is already have this. You have to do this, 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 and this here. So you have the line. To do this again, this. And you have the cross, and then you have to match this to others. If you do this still now, green, orange, blue. Since you have orange and blue, okay. This, and this. If you do this back, you start to use this is the same here. But you have to find the same corners. This is not the same, but this is the same, not the same. You have to hold it like this. Do the necklace. Do this. This is the same. This is the same. This is the same. This is the same. Then you need to do this and put it down. You have to this until this is the same. Not the same. Not the same. This is the same. So you have to rotate this. This is not the same. So you have to do this. Not the same. This is same. So you have to do this. This is not the same. So you do this. This is the same now. So you have to. This is the last thing. You have to do it again. This is not the same. This is not the same. This is not the same. This is the same, and you flip it, and you completely solve the thing. Bye.